Hello everyone! We are unfolding the school year 2021-2022 with the goal of achieving better and more meaningful year to your basic education by understanding the grading system as mandated by the Department of Education. So let us start. The grading system in this new normal was based on DepEd Order number 031 series of 2020, which is the interim guidelines for assessment and grading in light of the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan. To evaluate student learning in each quarter, summative assessments shall continue in the form of written works and performance tasks. Written works. These are administered to assess essential knowledge and understanding through quizzes and long or unit tests. Performance tasks. These allow learners to show what they know and are able to do in diverse ways. This could include creating or innovating products, demonstrating skills, group presentations, oral works, multimedia presentations, research projects, and written outputs. We have here Table 2, which is the weight distribution of the summative assessment components for senior high school based on DepEd Order number 031, series of 2020, page 6 of the 36 pages. Let me discuss this further in detail in the next slide. So, weight distribution of summative assessment for the core subjects. We have oral communication, komunikasyon at pananaliksik sa wika at kulturang Pilipino, 21st century literature, general mathematics, earth and life science, physical education and health, and for the written works, each of these weighs 40%. Performance tasks weighs 60%. Each of these will total to 100%. Note that the weight distribution of core subjects is for both academic and TVL strands. Weight distribution of applied subjects for academic strands. Applied subjects, we have English for academic and professional purposes and empowerment technology. Written works is 40%, performance tasks 60%, total 100%. Weight distribution for applied subjects for TVL strands. We have the same subjects both for academic and TVL strands under applied subjects, but the weights corresponding to written works is 30% and performance tasks is 70%, a total of each 100%. Weight distribution for specialized subjects for academic strands. Specialized subjects, we have applied economics, introduction to world religion, pre-calculus, organization and management. Written works weighs 40%. Performance tasks weighs 60%, a total of 100%. Weight distribution for specialized subjects for TVL strands. Specialized subjects, we have EPAS NC2, EIM NC2, SMAU NC1, Dressmaking NC2, BPP NC2, FBS NC2. Written works 30%, performance tasks 70%, a total of 100%. Sample copy of grades for the first semester of school year 2021-2022. This is based on the previous school year. So as you can see here, This is an example of a grade 11 ABM copy of grades. You have the row for the core subjects. There are 6. Then we have 2 applied subjects, and we have 2 specialized subjects. You will notice that in the first semester 2020 and 2021, we have first quarter and second quarter. And the second semester of the school year is the third quarter and the fourth quarter, but we will have it in the different orientation when second semester comes. Quarter 1 will start September 13 up to November 12, 2021. Quarter 2 will start November 15 up to December 17 and January 3 up to January 28 of the year 2022. Quarter 3 will start February 7 up to April 8, 2022, and Quarter 4 will start April 11 commencing on June 24, 2022. The schedule is based on DepEd Order Number 29, Series of 2021. Sample computation of written works and performance tasks for the core subjects. We have the column here for the written works and the performance tasks. Say for example, in Quarter 1, there are 4 written works. We have here the perfect score or the highest possible score. Written work number 1 is 20 points, 25 points for written work number 2, 20 points for number 3, and another 20 points for number 4, a total of 85 points. Say for example, learner A got 18 out of 20, then 22 out of 25. Learner A got a perfect score in the third written work and 17 out of 20, a total of 77 points. How do we get 91%? This is the percent score. Of course, if the learner got 85 points, then he will get 100%. But in this case, learner A got 77 points. So we have 77 divided by 85 multiplied it by 100 will give us 91%. Now the weighted average is equal to 40%. This is 91 times 0.4 will give us 36.4%. For the performance tasks, assuming there are 4 performance tasks and the highest possible scores are 15, 15, 25, and 20, a total of 75 points. Learner A got 12 out of 15, 13 out of 15, 16 out of 25, and 15 out of 20 points, a total of 56 points out of 75 points. Now 56 divided by 75 multiplied by 100 will give us 75%, and 60% of 75 is equal to 45%. And we sum up, the initial grade of learner A in the first quarter is 81.4, and that is 36.4 plus 45. The transmuted grade will be 88. This grade will be reflected in SF9 or in your card and also your permanent record. The transmutation table, which is Appendix B in DepEd Order Number 8, Series of 2015, shall still be used in this grading system. The guideline on learners' progress report, as well as on promotion and retention, shall likewise follow the provisions cited in the said policy. Let me end this presentation with a quote. There are only 2 ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle, and the other is as though everything is a miracle. This was from Albert Einstein. Thank you, and always stay happy, healthy, and safe.